Welcome to Language Booster TV.
Language Booster TV, it is a YouTube channel which helps you to learn 3 languages at once in short time. Those languages are English, Kiswahili, and Kinyarwanda. You are together with Eric Munani, your teacher, who loves you and wishes you to be multilingual. Today's lesson is relative pronouns. Before we start, I would ask you, have you subscribed? If you have subscribed, it's good. If you have not subscribed, do it today so that you will get more videos and more lessons about these 3 languages. Remember to like our comment. It is a kind of motivation. It shows that what we do, you value them. And if you found these videos are helpful, share to your friends so that they can learn together. Without taking much time, let us start. Relative pronouns include who, whose, which, that, whom, why, and when. What is relative pronoun? So, relative pronouns are words that introduce relative clause. So, relative pronouns comes before it start the relative clause. What is relative clause? So, relative clause is a part of a sentence which tells us which person, which thing, or what kind of person or thing the speaker means. It means that relative clause can define what kind of person or kind of thing the speaker is referring to. Great. That is what we call relative clause. So it means that this relative clause is begun with relative pronouns. So relative pronouns include who, whose, when, where, why, which, that, and whom. Yes. Well, how are these relative pronouns used? So these relative pronouns, each relative pronoun conveys different meaning. For example, it can convey person. It can be used for the person. To mean that when this relative pronoun is used, it refers to person. For example, who reflect to person and act as the subject of the verb. It means that after who, there is verb. There is no other subject. But remember that the noun before should be person. On the other side, you have whose. Whose shows the possession. Possession means the owner of something. And whom refer to the object of the verb. Object is someone who or something who is or which is affected by the action of the verb. So whom must be preceded by the subject. Yes, we shall see some examples soon. Number 2, relative pronoun some relative pronouns convey or reflect things. For example, which, and that. It can conveys time. It can conveys time, like when. It can conveys place, like where. It can also conveys reason. Here there is why. Why reflect the reason. So study these examples and see how they are used. We have said that who reflect to the person. And the first sentence says, this is the boy who lost his phone. This one who reflect to the boy. It shows what kind of a boy we are referring to. It is the boy. He is the boy who lost his phone. So the who, this relative who, is followed by the verb lost. It acts as the subject of the verb to lose, lost. The second sentence. The teacher whom we met teaches me English. That whom reflects to teacher and it acts as the object of verb to meet. It means that we meet who? Teacher. We meet who? Teacher. So whom reflects the object of the verb to meet. Teacher. On this other side, the third sentence, this is the town. This is the town where I was born. This is the town where I was born. The word where, we have seen that it means place. And the place, yes, town is place. Town is place. So, where reflect to the town. The town is a place where I was born. Yes, the next sentence. Do you know the reason why I failed English test? Why? We have seen that it reflects to reason. So, when you see the reason, yes, in your mind, think relative pronoun why. The child whose mother is sick is absent today. Whose reflect to person, which is a child. That whose come and shows the owner. It means that the child who owns mother, who is sick, is absent today. It means that the child who has sick mother is absent. It means it is similar like that. Whose shows the owner. It means that whose appear between two nouns. Two nouns. The first one is a person. The last one is the something or someone whose the first person owns. We can also say, this is the child whose car, this is the man whose car is broken. It means that this man has a car which is broken. Or we can say, this is the man who has broken car. So, whose shows the possession. Wednesday is the day when we go for trip. When we have seen that it says time. And the Wednesday is the day. And the day is the time. So, when reflect to time. The book that you bought is interesting. That reflect two things. And the book is thing, the name of thing. That is restrictive. It means that it introduces relative pronoun, relative clause, which is very important and essential for the sentence, and if it is removed, the sentence will not convey any meaning. If they said, the book that you bought, then what is it? What next? Yes, it's interesting. English language, which is spoken globally, is my favorite, which introduces or shows the thing, but it acts as non-restrictive. It means that which is not essential in this sentence, and if that clause is removed, the sentence will be meaningful. English language is my favorite subject. Yes, correct and makes sense. But if we say English, which is spoken globally, is my favorite, is non-restrictive because it adds more information about the already known noun. Great. This is how these relative pronouns are used. Let us see exercises. You will choose the correct word to complete the following sentences. Dear viewer, write the answer in the comment section. I will give you marks accordingly. Number 1. Kigali City is... You can find many banks. A. That. B. When. C. Which. D. Where. What is the best answer? Yes, let me do the first question for you, and the next questions will be answered by you. Yes. Kigali City is, you can find many banks. That is not suitable because Kigali is a place. So the suitable relative pronoun which is used for place is where. Where. So the answer will be where. Kigali City is the place. Kigali City is where you can find many banks. So do the second question and write in comment. The child dash wears blue skirt is my sibling. A. Whom. B. Whose. C. Who. D. Which. What is the best answer for this sentence? Great. Write in comment. Number 3, the third question. What is the name of the girl we met yesterday? Who, whom, B, whose, C, when, D, why? What is the answer? Write in the comment. Number 4, I remember in 2019. I remember in 2019 COVID-19 outbreak in Africa. A. Why. B. Which. C. When. D. Whose. Write the best answer for fourth question. Yes. The last one. English is a language. Is spoken in many countries of the world. Why? A. B. Which? C. Why? Again. D. Where? What is the best answer for this question? Write a comment. I will correct you and give you marks accordingly. Thank you for watching this video. Is it helpful? Yes. If it is helpful, show us in a comment. like our videos, share, subscribe to our channels. It is paramount support. Let us learn together. You are together with Eric Bunani, your English teacher. Not only English, but also Kinyarwanda, Kiswahili as well. Bye bye. I love you.